What's the booster? Okay, guys.
You have our second booster.
That's beautiful. Let's open it. The hell is that guy? So we have rampant growth. Got a Minotaurs. That's interesting.
Another reason. Fuck God.
Scuttling Death. Repeal.
Repeal. Let's continue.
That's the Sky Hunter. Flying Double Strikes. Not bad. Smash the Smithereens.
It's a good one.
Common with Nether. Singing Blue. And now
Wayfarer's Bubble.
they're starting the uncommons, guys. Flying. Hickory. Tiller Guardian.
Let's training.
Okay. Close to the floor. Now let's see the red. The blue card. Harky's Recall, man.
Nice one.
That's a one. Good one.
Good one, yeah.
There has the foil. It's a common. So raise the alarm, guys! It's the raise alarm days. Yeah. Come on, good job.
3 raise the alarm in 2 boosters. Nice. Thanks, Wizard. Bye, guys.